Hey guys, happy November 1st. It's 1/1/1. And today is a very important day, very great day, where the portals will open. You want to, just wish for uh, your life to change and positivity and positive things, and you'll notice they'll start coming in your life. But I'm not getting into that right now. It's also Cinnamon Day, where you stand outside your door and just say, I have abundance, and blow in the cinnamon, or don't say anything and just blow the cinnamon in your door. Anyway, so I am just testing my recording, like the sound, everything, because I have a lot of products that have been sent to me that I have to review. So here we are, and I just want to know, like, the angle, the lights. I see there's a lot of, I might have to move that. There's a lot of shadow. I hate shadow. Okay, so I'm just taking some green. Dave bought me this really cute little watercolor tablet. So I can, when we go for our walks and all the things, if I want to paint, anything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it as, no, you know what I'll use? I'm not going to do that. I'll use the plastic on my stencils. Okay, so I'm trying to get in view here, so it's straight and it's doing, so just let me know down below. This isn't going to be a big ass video. I'm going to be doing more. I got to find some of my stuff because I have it everywhere. I'm trying to organize, but let me know how you guys are down below. I miss talking to you guys. I miss comments. I miss I just miss everything. So I'm testing, and let's see what happens. I'm going to use one of these brushes. These are from Golden Maple. I'll put their link down below. I do enjoy their brushes. It's not just because they sent them to me. They've been sending them to me for quite a few years. And they sent me some recently again. And so I want to do a video on them. I do love them. I do have to change the lighting, but this is like look how, like, you can get very thin, or you could just dip in the tip, because just the tip, and that's pretty cool. So you know what I mean. And then I'm just gonna, I like sometimes making my acrylic watery and watercolory. And this will just be a background. I'm probably going to end up doing a video of me doing a bunch of backgrounds because I just love them. So that'll be coming up too. But right now I just need your opinions on the video. And you can see here, I don't know if you could if you could really see it, but right here I made like a leaf where I did it thinner, and then down here and here, and the same with this one. But I put the water on that one so you can't really see it. Let's see, let me take a little bit, just want a little bit, press it down, and you see, you get this like really cool, and then you start bringing it down, and you're getting different leaves. So I could do a bunch of these and put a flower in between, and how cool would that be? And this is a 3/8, and it's a Golden Maple is the brand. And you know what? I'm not sure what that's called. Let me see. Let me show you. I'm not doing the thing now, but these are miniature and fine detail brushes, which I love, especially when I'm doing my girls, which I'm going to start doing again. It's just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All the paint brushes, I just love them. All right, I'm going to rinse this one off. And my new goal as well, I'm going to put it here, is not to leave my brushes in water. All right, this is a flat, and this is number 6. It's a 6 flat. So I'm going to go in. Should have grabbed another color. Let me grab, do I have any other colors here? Blue, that'll work. Okay, just do a little bit here. Don't worry about the colors. It's not that important. So then I'm going to flip it and just do a little bit here, a little bit more here. Let's see if I can do anything here. I didn't have my brush wet, but that's not bad. That's cool. That's like a nice addition to when you're doing a scrapbook page, a mixed media page, right? You're just adding texture and different things. So I'm going to go in a little deeper. And then go the other way. And then go this way. And then the other way. There we go. Okay, let's see now. Yeah. Still could have went more. That's all right. I'm not, like I said, I'm really not experimenting or showing you about the brushes yet. But we're going to go in again. Pushing down. And then you overblend, and that's what I did. Okay, I see the light is shining very brightly. Okay, I could probably play with that, but you guys let me know, because it's hard, because I see something and then I don't know. Is that how you guys see it, or you know? All right. I hope you guys had a great Halloween. We didn't do anything. And I know a lot of you have been writing me and saying, you know, oh, we missed your 31 days creep and this and that and the other. And I haven't done them for a couple of years. I have been missing from YouTube for a while. And just life, you know, life. But I love doing YouTube. I love painting and I love doing YouTube. And I'm, you know, missing it so much. And I'm just wondering if it would help with my mental health a little bit more, as I'm struggling, as we all do. So, but that's it. I just wanted to come on and see what you guys thought, what your opinions are on here. You know, how you can see this is a green color. Is it green enough? Is it not green enough? Can you hear me okay? The angle okay? Do I need to move a little bit? I need your expertise. And you know I appreciate it, and I listen to you guys all the time. So that's all for this video. I'll probably make another video as I'm sitting here. I got to get out more stuff. But as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battles somebody else is fighting. Today is a very important day, as it is November 1st. New moon today. I know you guys don't like me talking about that kind of stuff, so I'm not getting deep into it, but just, you know, wish for yourself something good and put it out there. Write it on a piece of paper, burn it, all the things. I love you guys, and I miss you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.